It's next time. It's part 3. Okay, what we're going to learn is a really common chord. It's called a bar chord, or a power chord, if you want to call it. I guess this is more of a power chord. And we're going to use 2 fingers, all right? I like to use my index and my ring finger. That's what I like to use. Woo, can you control your fingers? Okay, so I like to use my index and my ring finger. So what we're going to do a G. All right, we're on the 3rd fret down. 1, 2, 3. Top string right here, okay? And then where the other dot is, that's your 5th fret, okay? And we're going on the 2nd string down. And we're going to pluck those 2 strings only. That is a bar chord. It's a power chord because it doesn't have the 3rd in there. So we don't have to worry if it's a minor. We don't have to worry if it's a 7th. It doesn't matter. If they say G, we're in G. Practice that. Here's the magic of that. Is I move that up 2, 1, 2. I've got A. Up 2 more. I've got B. Wherever I move that. F sharp, G, G sharp, A, B flat, B, C, C sharp, D. I've got them all right? E flat, and E. We have all the chords with that one position, okay? Now, once you've got comfortable of playing that on every fret of this guitar, you want to be able to play that position cleanly. Now cleanly, we don't want any buzzing. We don't want any of this kind of stuff going on. We want clean, okay? Once you do that, you can move these down to the next set of strings, the same position, that same V-shaped position. But now, we're on the A string and the D string. We're here. And the same thing goes. It can go everywhere. And if you will learn that, and you'll get that nice and smooth, I'm going to show you how to play just about every song ever written. Passable enough that you can go out and play. And if you can sing a little bit and you have your friends that can sing along, man, you can do just about anything with that song, with that fingering right there. And I promise I'm going to show you that next time. Okay? So hang in there. I'll see you next time.